go, Gage.
Up. Move your feet. Hey, move your feet. Up. Hey, move your feet. Move your feet. Let's go do it. Up, flash ball. Yep, pick one. Shake it out. Hook it down and hook. Hook it. Yep.
Keep going, Gage.
Hey, short time, Davis. Go get it.
Get your head out. Turn into him. Quick. Up with it, drive into it. Find that wrist.
She's missing it.
Hey, drive it forward. Follow, up. Find that wrist. Yes, cross it. Elbow, push.
Head up.
Think to his hip.
Head up and go. Good.
Hey, motion. Back in the middle. Keep it up. Move your feet though. Yes. More foot motion. Go. Motion. Yes. Make him move. Bring that to the mat. Hey. Feet. Easy feet. Up. Yes. Smack that. Hey, keep it up. Let's go. Hey, shift pace. Yes, your pace.
Why are you stopping?
Up.
Let's go.
Catch your elbow. Stop. Wiggle, keep that wiggle. Hey, feet. Move your feet. Yes.
Yes.
Run.
Come on, Gage. You got 10 seconds.
Elevate. Push it off. Push it off and hook. Hey.
Let's go.
You got a minute and a half. You got to get out and get down. Take it down. Let's go. Hey, we're team wrestling.
Let's go, Gage.
Up. Hands. Keep moving. Up. Stay up. Hands. Stay up.
Good.
Up. Going down.
Do it again, Gage.
Come on, Gage. Belly. Belly it up. Up. Knees under you. Stay up, my hands.
You got it. You're up.
Back up, knee side. Elbow straight. Come up. Knee side, yes.
Run it.
Come on, pull that in. Hey, let's get one. Come up.
Hey, Bo, you gotta run him up for 30 seconds.
Hey, 30. Let's go. You got this. Let's go. Let's go. Yep. Arch, go. Arch, go. Yeah.
Yes, Gage. All right. Nice job.
Find the rest. Stop.
Come up,
It's up. Onto his leg. Do it.
15 seconds, Gage. Keep his leg. Drive into him. There you go, Gage. 5 seconds.
Bring it up.
2, 1. Yeah, Gage. Woo! All right, Gage.
That's it, you got it out right there.
Good match, boys. Nice job.